Okay, so for today's Modern Minute, I want to talk about the non-surgical facelift and how the non-surgical facelift is basically like a unicorn. It sounds great, but it really just does not exist. There are a number of non-surgical devices on the market that claim to produce surgical results. However, I have yet to see one that produces consistent, effective, and reproducible results for patients. Today, I want to talk about one in particular, dynamic muscle stimulation treatments. So there are a number of devices on the market that work by something called dynamic muscle stimulation. So these devices claim to stimulate the facial muscles and increase the facial muscle tone and subsequently non-surgically lift the face. While muscle atrophy may be a contributing cause to facial aging, I don't think it's one of the top reasons why patients can look in the mirror and feel older and more tired as they age. So one of the most significant reasons for facial aging is actually deep tissue laxity, and that deep tissue laxity can only be repositioned to a more youthful position with a facelift. So it's important to remember that the deep plane or the deep tissues of the face are right next to important facial structures such as the facial nerve. And no non-surgical treatment can get that deep safely in order to effectively tighten the face. So unfortunately, at this time, patients who are actually surgical facelift candidates are not going to see facelift results with a non-surgical treatment. So of course, I utilize non-surgical devices like lasers and radiofrequency microneedling to enhance my surgical facelift results, but I'm not utilizing these devices to address the deep tissue laxity of the face. So I think most of the current non-surgical devices and facial dynamic muscle stimulation devices that claim to offer surgical facelift results are soon going to be a thing of the past, and the only people that are going to benefit from these devices are the companies that are going to become much richer, and patients are going to be left with much less money in their pocket.